Downward dog in the pool. Wow, good for you.
You okay, baby?
Splash.
Okay?
Just had a little drink, that's all.
Dog water.
Kuku thought your water was delicious. Get that penguin. It's a really nice size for him, too.
I need more toys now.
He's got more bathtub toys. Be careful, show off.
Where's the dog's brushes? They combing their hair? And they need your toenails clipped. Or do some more running on this concrete and then file them down.
Careful, show off.
That storm is moving away or dissipating.
Hey. Why don't you do some more splashing? Say hi, baby.
This is the footage you'll show to his girlfriend.
Yep. Look at that cute naked bum.